Welcome. In today's tutorial video I'm gonna show you how to change the avatar style on the hat to the classic one in Doom: The Dark Ages. So at first move to the settings, then the second tab will be user interface, then you can scroll a little bit and as you can see there is face avatar style. You have three different options. First will be none, so it hides the avatar, then normal, that appears in this game, and the classic one, which is old school Doom face. That will be all for today. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel. Bye!